everyone, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Widya Vitaloka and NPM 254111052. I am presenting this video for this business communication course. The topic of my presentation is ethic of business communication. Communication plays a very important role in the business world because people interact with coworkers, managers, clients, and customers almost every day. Therefore, communication should follow ethical principles so it remains professional and respectful. In this presentation, I will explain the meaning, importance, and principle of ethics in business communication. Before we start the discussion, here are the learning targets of this presentation. First, explain the meaning of ethics in business communication. Second, understand the importance of ethics in business communication. Third, identify the main principle of ethical business communication. Fourth, recognize example of ethical and unethical business communication. And fifth, apply ethical communication principle in business situation. First, let's discuss the definition of ethics in business communication. Ethics in business communication refers to the moral principle that guide how people communicate in a professional business environment. It ensures that communicate is honest, respectful, and responsible. In the workplace, communication is not only about delivering information, but also about how the message is delivered. People need to communicate clearly and respectful so others can understand the message properly. Business communication can occur in many situations, such as meeting, presentation, email, reports, and interaction with customers. By applying ethical communication, companies can maintain good relationships with employer, client, and customers. Next, we will discuss why ethics in business communication is important. First, ethical communication helps build trust. When people communicate honestly, others are more likely to trust them and the organization they represent. Second, it helps prevent misunderstanding and conflicts. Many conflicts in the workplace occur because of unclear or inappropriate communication. Third, ethical communication helps maintain the company reputation. The way employee communication often reflects the image of the organization. Finally, ethical communication helps create a professional work environment where people respect each other and collaborate effectively. There are several important principles in ethical business communication. The first principle is honesty. Information should be truthful and should not mislead others. The second principle is clarity. Message should be clear and easy to understand to avoid confusion. The third principle is politeness. Communication should use respectful language and appreciate other people's opinions. The fourth principle is responsibility. People must take responsibility for the information they share. And the last one is principle confidentiality. Some business information must be kept private, such as customer data, company strategies, and financial information. To understand this topic better, let's look at some examples. Example of ethical business communication include responding to emails politely, listening to coworkers during meeting, providing accurate information to customer, and respecting different opinions. On the other hand, example of unethical communication include spreading false information, using rude language toward coworkers, leaking confidential company information, or ignoring important messages from clients. This action can damage professional relationship and harm the company reputation. In conclusion, ethics in business communication plays an important role in maintaining professional relationship in workplace. By communication, honestly, clearly, politely, and responsibility, business can build trust, avoid conflict, and maintain a positive reputation. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this presentation helped you understand the importance of ethics in business communication.